Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Beripet ia ketenat Arts and Culture bat ketenat Tourism uba Pol Lyngdoh haba aijing kran hakan ia kesngi. Aijing irap ka sorkar eki nong snaplim beper-beper hapok ke jilla uloang baki dan hangne ban rakhe na kebenta ke jilla. Bat ban rakhe ru na kebenta ke jat ban Rio Khasi jantia bat ki Garo ki Trai ri Jong ke jilla Meghalaya ki badan ia ke Khyndew ke badai ru ke Jaka ke Jongi. Ki Trai ri Jong ke jilla Meghalaya ki badan ia ke Khyndew ke badai ru ke Jaka ke Jongi. Bat uloang ru bangi kom ki Trai ri ngidei ban long ki Kynja Mynsiem na kebenta ke ni Khyndew. Uba Pol ru ulapan pau ke jingkemen namar ka rensan OTT ka badai ru ka rensan pen I ya ka sab pan ak haki film ni ki jingrai kabla pen mi da ka sorkar Meghalaya na kebenta ki Rio don sab ka jilla kala long ka bayat bet ya renti haki babun na ki pat ba ki lasdang ban pet ya ki film khasi na ka ni ka rensan. Shushu habai day berkanan pelok uloang bakanan pelok kadai kabla pau nam bha namar kadai ru kapung balashna batla rimtam ha ka North East India. Uloang ru habayo banekran ber menteri rangba ukonrat ke sangma bakapor khang ya kanan pelok ka jaringkhat bakadai ha kapor waitre kata kadai ha kapor sanbeji janmiet ya kanie ulakan turu ya kinong tre office bakin yat kai lingba kanan pelok tangkomba sau po minute aa shwa bakin et pai shalaki yengkisem na ki jakatre ka jongki ban khmi ka ya ka jing itnat ka jaka.
They are being handed over with the official uniform of the tourism buddies, the jacket and the t-shirt. May I request our tourism buddies to kindly wear the jacket. Kindly wear the jacket for a photograph. The tourism buddies team and our tourist buddies who are here with us today. The Forest Department is handing over to the Tourism Department. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
And the fact that Happening has gone global. I share deep, abiding and intimate relationship with the entire family. In fact, his father, when I was in the KSU, was jokingly referred to as Timman KSU. And right from those days till today, I could see that your growth story does not promise to end soon. Dominic, whose movie I've watched recently, holds huge promise, and I'm sure that you will also go global very soon. We're here to celebrate the spirit of Meghalaya, and for the indigenous communities of Meghalaya, the Khasi, Jaintias and the Garos, we have the soil, which is our land. But the people should be the soul of that soil, thriving with life, pulsate with activity, and the arts will then thrive. I'm so proud that our OTT platform has done so well. The traction has been growing. We have a film and creative media policy draft. I would welcome all of you to peruse, go through the draft and come up with positive, tangible suggestions and inputs. We are also here to see the official rehanding over of Words Lake to the Department of Tourism. I was telling the Honorable Chief Minister the other day that the closure of the lake happens to be at the same time when our official working hours end, which is 5 p.m. And we would like to see our office goers actually taking a stroll around the lake for at least 40 minutes after they leave office. The lake is also iconic because it is the oldest artificial lake in Northeast India, designed for the recreation of the colonial officers. since 1894. So friends, we're here to elevate your experience, unleash your potential, and as Pradeep has mentioned, we are going ahead with the creation of movie halls all across the state. And in the first year itself, we will be covering Shillong, Tura, and Joai. We'd like you to take, all along you've had this major complaint of not having a platform. Now we are giving you both a digital platform and a physical platform as well. So congratulations to the entire fraternity. Do feel encouraged and to share your thoughts, your suggestions, your inputs with us. The biggest room in this world is the room for improver tirelessly to take Meghalaya forward, and we do not heed to negative criticism. I've always quoted the saying that no memorial has ever been erected in honor of a critic. Therefore, we will dream boldly, we will create fearlessly, and we will stay rooted in who we are and unleash the potential that Meghalaya has, the potential that is gigantic, that is global. Then we can also prove to the rest of the world that quality matters. We do not have the quantity, the numbers in terms of population, but we do have the quality in terms of the population that we have, the ambassadors of arts and culture, and each one of you.